India?
Yes, it feels really nice, having been gone through multiple rounds and coming there. But what I'm excited about is the experience, the journey which I'm going through is one of the best I've experienced in life, and I'm sure there's so much to take back and give back again to the society through this journey. I'm also closely associated with Neema Elderly Care, who is into giving a dignified life to elderly who are looking for safety, good health care, and various other addressing various other concerns and giving them a very good environment for leading their life.
Okay, that's interesting. Could you tell us more about Neema Group and the kind of elder care work you're involved with?
Sure. So with given times, kids are very busy. There could be multiple reasons. They're out of the country for work related, out of city. Even if they're in the same city, they do not have enough time, and that's where elderly parents are left unattended. This also seeps in when throughout the years they've been taking so much good care of their children. It meant the whole world to them, and suddenly it's just not there. There is a void basically, and that's where the elderly think actually they don't have anybody, and the depression, loneliness sets in. This also brings a point wherein they are getting ill, and they don't have attendants to take care of and look at their healthcare issues. So that's another thing, and mostly safety. Given the increase in crime, safety and security is one of the prime reasons.
Do you think there are depression related issues more towards elders in the urban area?
That exactly the reason is Economic World Forum has come up, and loneliness is one of the greatest concerns and the top concerns in today's time. And more so over with urban population is because of the changing times. We've started living in nuclear families. With nuclear family comes its own disadvantages, but wherein you see non-metro or smaller cities, they are very close-knit community. People know, they interact, socially active, and even if there's somebody depressed, they exactly know how to address it, or take care of the person more. But in urban cities, we don't know who our neighbor are, and it's a really sad state. So certainly loneliness is more prevalent in urban cities.
Tell us more about the facilities that Neema provides.
They have some very fantastic, very, very, very good facilities where we talk about as simple when if the kids are abroad and they of course cannot take parents along for the visa challenges, but they need to take care of there's somebody who needs to take care of them, and that's wherein Neema Elderly Care comes into picture, wherein they give them an environment, a setup as close to house or better, wherein they have a very close-knit community of like-minded people of similar age, wherein they have good services. Apart from good services, they can make friends, activities which occupies them, and a very personalized, very personalized food. They cater to very, very personalized food requirements as well, where the chef knows exactly what each of them has to be given in what quantity, whether you are a diabetic or a BP patient.
Really?
Yes, it's very personalized. You have cameras 24/7. When if your kids want to talk to you or see you, they can watch and get all the updates. So it's very personalized.
Wow, this is wonderful. It's great to see your involvement and belief. But do you feel it's easy for us to send our parents or elders to a care facility? Don't you think we live in a society where this might be looked as a taboo or a stigma?
Sejal, this is a very great question. And exactly, why would somebody living in the same city just send their parents to a care facility? But there's a middle way. If you have to, it's a change in perception. You just have to look at this way, wherein your child, when you're out for work, you send your child to a daycare.
Yeah.
Neema El Daycare has come up with a similar facility, wherein your parents can just visit the daycare throughout the day and come back when you're back home. So it's like finding a middle ground, and the parents, the elderly, just totally love it because the kind of environment they give, it's the like-minded people again, their same age group, the activities which goes on, they on weekly basis, they take them to temple, they take them to mall, they then show them pictures or a movie theater. So it is like totally engaging, and you'll be surprised the elderly do not want to come back home at times. It's just like those, the little child in them.
I think it's a very good initiative. This way one could take an educated decision whether to stay at home or move to a care facility. It's also a good way of getting our elders to move out of home, isn't it? I also understand that different categories and restrictions within elder care.
Certainly. So there is one category wherein kids are not around in the same place, and they need to be the elderly needs to be taken care of. So that's one facility wherein food, the entire healthcare facilities, and every basic, it's like a house, every basic facilities is given to them. That's one category. But the other category could be, wherein due to critical health issues, end of life kind of scenarios, wherein they need to be, they need to be taken care very, very closely. Every minute they need to have a personalized health care. So they offer, NEMA Healthcare offers these kind of facilities as well. The other category could be loneliness and depression. Basically, you've seen over the age or over the years, elderly people develop Alzheimer's.
Yes.
They forget totally. They don't recognize their loved ones, and they don't know any. They just are out of, they don't know what to do.
Sure.
Probably it's loss of memory and these disease coming up. So NEMA Healthcare has these specialized, consultants and doctors who focus on taking care of these kind of elderlies as well. Yeah.
I also understand there are developments and advances within technology that go towards elder care. So is there something that you're involved with in here?
Oh yes. Yes, I've heard quite a bit about it, and I've read, and NEMA Healthcare is working actively on artificial intelligence, and they're going to launch this very soon.